Thursday. It is Wednesday. Farah and I both got home at the same time because he was waiting outside because we were in Bible study while we were driving home on Zoom. So back home. I just came back from work. I just said that. I don't know why I'm saying it again. Tonight I'll be making brown rice with quinoa. Just waiting for the water to boil. And some barramundi and some sweet corn and salad. And yeah, that will be dinner for today. And I think I might prep. I'm not sure whether I'll slow cook tomorrow. I'll slow cook tomorrow because on Friday we have a service, so might as well have the stuff ready and let the food just slow cook for the day.
Pray for my country, pray for my nation.
Oh, that's alright.
I don't understand why. I'm not really in the mood for eating, so can you put the food aside and come and give me chicken instead? Then you can go eat after.
You're trash. You're trash.
Can you put the food on the side? You can always put it in the microwave and just come and give me chicken.
You're firing up the Xbox now. Of all times, what you doing?
Because I'm not hungry. Yeah.
Bora 40.
What do you mean 40?
40.
What's wrong with it?
Can you come here?
I don't even want to have with you.
Farai.
Come here. Dream what day.
Can you come answer one of the questions?
I'm not learning, but
Yes.
But
Yes. Tell us, how is married life?
Hi guys.
Ah.
Married life. As you can see, it's not what I expected it to be. When you get married, you have to do the dishes every day. Every day, man. Every single day I'm doing these dishes. See my hands. They're going white from the bleach. That's how married life is going.
Are you happy?
I don't want to answer that unless Tatenda goes to the other room.
Okay, let me grab the camera and I'll go and you tell us how you are. Get out of here. Who did that?
The towel is so clean. So to share time while I read. When are we having kids? Because I'm tired of this week.
Bye. Happy Thursday. I am home again from work. 7:33. I went to the grocery store to get some beef because I'm gonna make salsa because I'm hungry. I'm having a brain fart. And I'm also listening to the service. So I'm gonna start cooking for I's working late today, so that's why I could go to the shops and go buy some other stuff. We'll do the bulk grocery shopping on Sunday. So somebody asked me someone asked me if I thought I was too young to be getting married. You know, you check the age your parents got married. I know at this time it's a bit different, this generation, but I don't think I'm too young. I think marriage is one of those things where you know you're ready, and you know you're willing to be with the person that you love. So obviously there were points in time where I was like, am I going to be able to be a good wife? Am I going to be able to manage a home? But you know, your partner should be able to help you. The people around you should be able to help you and assist you. You know, I call my mum all the time. My mother-in-law is so helpful. So, you know, the people around you should make it easier for you to adapt to your new role. It's a tricky role, but it's not difficult, and it makes it even easier when you have an amazing support group, with which I have amazing women around me who support me, who love me, who teach me, who educate me. So I've just got some Chinese broccoli here, which is what I will use for my veg. Why would you do that? And then ask me, mommy, after cooking, is it okay?